Hey, hey, it's Berta J, and you are back in my kitchen with me today. We're gonna make hot vanilla. You ever heard of that? I made it up. But anyway, and I'm not a chocolate fan, but I'll eat it once in a while. But this is gonna be hot vanilla for those of you who don't like hot chocolate or don't want hot chocolate. We're gonna take 2 cups of plant milk. Now, plant milk is almond, cashew, rice, hemp, soy, or any of the other plant milks that you can find. Put in 2 cups of it into your Vitamix or your blender. Doesn't have to be a Vitamix. Then add 4 dates without the pits. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1.5 teaspoons of cinnamon. Dump it in. Get it all. It's like 18 scrapes or 1/8 of a teaspoon of nutmeg. 2 teaspoons of vanilla. And that's it. That's all you have to do right now. Blend it until it's smooth. How's that? What I do now is you take it to the stove and heat it up because it's cold. Now, if you want to drink it cold, you can. It's very good. But I'm going to heat it up because it's called hot vanilla, not cold vanilla. The hot vanilla is all heated. Takes 2 minutes. The only other thing you can do if you want to, remember you already have cinnamon within the hot vanilla, but you could sprinkle a little on top. This is really good. I'm going to take a sip. 2 minutes makes it hot enough for me. But I'm going to set this aside because I have something else to show you. This very same recipe, take a little bit of your milk, I guess it's maybe, I don't know, 1/4 of a cup, maybe less, and put in a tablespoon of cocoa. Mix this up. This tip came to me from Anahid Kasabian in another one of our viewers' voices, and I'll plug in the link below. Stir this up. It'll take a minute. See, now it's all incorporated, no lumps, no bumps. Take the 2nd cup of hot vanilla, pour it into this mixture you just made that's chocolate, and stir that up well. Oh my gosh, look at that. Every drop fit in there. So I did do exactly 2 and it was good. If you like it really hot, just let it stay on the burner for a little bit longer, get as hot as you want. I kind of like it medium hot. That's good too. If you want to use a little bit less of the cocoa because you like cocoa but you don't want it to overpower your 1 cup, then do that. So now you have hot vanilla, hot cocoa. Same recipe. And I'll leave it to you to adjust how much. Maybe you might want to use an extra date for the cocoa because this cocoa is unsweetened so that you can put in as much sweetener as you want. This one tastes perfect just the way it is. That is really the end of the video. I don't want to drink up all of it before the video's over. But anyway, it's very, very tasty and it's very, very easy. With Christmas cookies, you can have it a piece of cake. You can have it in the morning with like your pancakes, your waffles, your biscuits or muffins. It's a really, really a good added treat for the holidays, okay? So have some hot vanilla or hot chocolate, same recipe. Thank you so much for watching me. And I want you to come back, but don't forget to subscribe, click on the bell so that every time a video is uploaded, you will get the notification and leave me some comments below. Thank you so much for watching. And don't forget to smile. I've heard that it's really good for your facial muscles, okay?